Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up or register for an in-service on the OPS Inservices page. You can go to the district website at district.ops.org, go to the Staff tab, and in the Staff tab you'll find the In-Services link. Another option is to type in your URL, inservices.ops.org. For your username, you're going to use the same username that you use for first class, but the password's going to be different. The password is a 6-digit ID. It's your employee number, but it has to be 6 digits. My employee number is only 5, so I have to put a 0 at the front, and then I can type in the rest of my password. I'll select Login, and I'll be into the In-Services page when I see the Login option no longer available. To register, I go to the In-Services tab and hover over it, and I decide which department my in-service is falling under. I'm going to choose a technology one, so I'll select technology. I'm viewing all of the upcoming technology in-services in a list view. I could also choose to look at them by day, by week, or I could click on the month to see the overall month view. I prefer to do the list, and it always puts the most current ones at the top. If you ever see a workshop that's a webinar, know that a webinar has to be signed up for at least by 8 a.m. the day before it happens. So this one is on April 15th. I'm recording this on April 14th, so the register button is no longer available. If the register button is no longer available, it's too late to sign up. You could always contact the person that's going to be running the webinar, but at this point you can't register on the system. So I'm going to do an example down below. I want to register for the Microsoft Word 3 Forms and Mail Merges. I can click on the title if I want to see just the description a little bit more. And then I can either register here, or I can go back and I could choose register under the description here. I can see a couple other things. I can see that there are 5 seats out of 7 seats or 12 seats available, and there's already 7 participants. So I'm going to select register to start the registration process. Your email will be listed here, and then you'll press next. Inside, you're required to put in a phone number. You can always put in your work phone number. And then you can select to remember this attendee and press next. You'll choose confirm, and then you're registered for that class. Now, if you're interested to see what other classes you're registered for or some past events that you've done, you can go into the My Account and My Account registrations. I can also look at my attendance for past ones that I've attended. If I need to cancel a class, I'll select My Registrations again. Here's the class that I just signed up for. And let's say I realize that I can't go to that. I'm going to click on this little red X to cancel my registration. They'll confirm it. I'll press OK. And then I'm now canceled for that class, and I can see the little red dot for canceled. Before you leave, it's always a good idea to press log out. If you wanted to sign up for any more in-services, you could click on the in-services icon again. Hopefully you found this easy enough. Just remember the username is your first class username, but your password is your employee number, and it has to be 6 digits. Thank you. Have a great day.